Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Today I was playing around. I copied this off of somebody that did it on the internet with pencil. Really talented person. And you never know what you're going to get. So this is what it looks like in the file. And I will share this file with you to print out on just a regular printer, 8.5 by 11 paper. And this is what it looks like printed. This is what it looks like kind of flat. But if you put a crease in the paper right there and turn it at a 90-degree angle, it looks like a set of stairs. And I don't even know if I have the best angle on the camera. I'm thinking now I should have been a little bit lower. But it actually looks like a doorway. It looks like nothing here. But if you have CorelDRAW and you'd like to print this out on paper and then take your ruler and fold it right there, or you're more than welcome to take a screenshot of that. And I just used the table tool, and all I did was just cut out the lines that I didn't need, with the table tool, and just cut that out, and then, put a line there at an angle. Just take your 2-point line and go from there to there, and then cut all these out. And you have the start, and just copy along. But if you'd like the file, I will post my email address. And tell me, I'm going to save it as X7. So if you have something older than X7, let me know, and I'll save it for that if I can. And also, if anybody ever needs help with Corel, that's a very good email to email me with questions. And if you do send me a file, and even if it's a JPEG or PDF, go ahead and send it and open it up in Corel and then send me the Corel file. It just makes it a lot easier. Anyway, I hope that helped and a little bit of fun, and thank you for watching.